Match answers three questions. What SAP objects have we cloned? Where is the duplicate custom code? And can we return to standard? Clones are custom objects derived from SAP objects. For example, we may have cloned an SAP program so that we can fill in a functional gap based on our unique business requirements. It's important to keep clones in sync with the original SAP objects as they are changed, say as part of a support pack upgrade. A common experience of larger SAP application deployments is duplicate custom code. Over time, essentially the same functionality is created multiple times and is often used by different user communities. This is costly. Why maintain half a dozen duplicate custom programs when we can maintain just one? SAP continues to enhance standard functionality. This creates opportunities for us to eliminate altogether our custom code and return to standard. Match does a pairwise comparison of all objects of the same type. For example, all programs are compared with all other programs. The result of the comparison is a score that measures how similar are each pair of objects. For example, comparing a program with itself produces a perfectly similar score. The similarity score is based on three factors. How similar are the object names? This automatically detects naming conventions, even if only loosely followed. How similar is the code? And how similar are the used objects? Let's take a look at the Match app in action. First, we'll install the Match app from the App Store. We can search for Match, and then click Install. Match is now part of our home screen. Let's open the Match app and configure the default variant. We need to choose a source system, which would be development or QA, access to our production for the usage history, and then we can adjust the thresholds and even set up who will receive the results. Match results are available through the app. We start with a dashboard, which looks very busy here because of the threshold we chose, and then all the detailed results are available in an Excel spreadsheet. The first two columns describe all of the used custom objects. The second two columns describe all of the objects which were compared with the used custom objects. The next two columns look at all of the used objects. We compute the total number and how many are shared between the two objects which were compared. Match next outputs data about the name. How long are the two names? How many characters are the same in each? And how many are unique? Next comes the data about the code comparison. We've looked at how many lines are in each object and how many lines of code are the same and unique to each of the compared objects. Lastly, Match converts the uses what data and the code comparison data into a percentage score. Match requires a live RFC connection. This means that you can install LiveCompare in the data center and simply set up a live RFC connection, or use LiveCompare Cloud and set up a VPN connection from the public cloud to the private data center to support a live RFC connection. Match is available for LiveCompare 3.5 and LiveCompare 3.6. For LiveCompare 3.5, it can be run as a standard workflow, and the app is available as a separate download. For LiveCompare 3.6, it can be run as a standard app or a standard workflow. So that's Match. Use it to find clones, use it to find and eliminate duplicate custom code, and use it to take advantage of those opportunities to return to standard. Thanks for watching.